to coal mine 1. First, gather your family. Edith, exit drills in the home. Let's get them out of the house. This is 30 seconds. 30 seconds. At this point...
Today we're hosting our annual open house here at Station 63 at 130 East Thacker. In just a few minutes here, we're going to be demonstrating a fire in a sprinkled building and a non-sprinkled building, and then we're also going to be demonstrating a vehicle extrication.
What's happening at the right? So that is the protective page. What you're not seeing here is an ambulance.
There's also a obstacle course that kids can do. There's a lot of handouts for kids.
We got the bounce house. There's fun for everybody, but it also gives an idea of why do you need a working smoke detector? You know, why do sprinklers help in homes and businesses? And it shows you right there, a smoke detector can give you time to get out, but then you see how quick something can go up in flames.
Kind of feel the heat a little bit.
Events like this, they impact kids' decisions becoming firefighters, because if a kid sees somebody doing something really cool and they remember that for a while, they'll want to do it over and over because they're going to want to do that same thing. So if kids see some firefighter putting out a big fire, they're going to want to do the same thing. And this is a great way to expose them to, hey, we do a lot of fun stuff here.
And kids that do, you know, everybody sees a fire truck and they're like, oh, I love it. To get to come in, put gear on, we get an obstacle course for them to go through. They get to see a whole bunch of stuff. They get to see our guys in action here. So I definitely think for people who already like it, it definitely gives them that push to want to go into a career with the fire service.